The best foods for learning English. How nutrition affects your brain. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Did you know that what you eat can affect how fast you learn English? That's right. Your brain needs the right fuel to function at its best. If you eat the wrong foods, your brain gets slow and foggy. But if you eat the right foods, you'll have better focus, memory, and energy, all essential for learning English effectively. So in this video, we'll talk about the best foods for brain function and language learning, and how to eat smarter to improve your English. How your brain uses food to learn. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy, more than any other organ. When you learn English, your brain is making new connections between neurons. If your brain has the right fuel, these connections grow faster. If you eat poorly, your brain slows down and learning becomes harder. So let's talk about the best foods to supercharge your learning. Step number 1, eat brain-boosting foods. These foods help your brain focus, remember, and stay sharp. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, these improve memory and brain function. Antioxidants, found in blueberries, dark chocolate, and green tea, these protect your brain from stress. Protein-rich foods, eggs, lean meats, and tofu help neurotransmitters function properly. Complex carbs, whole grains, brown rice, and sweet potatoes provide steady energy. If you eat more of these foods, your brain will process English faster and more efficiently. Step number 2, drink smart for mental clarity. Your brain is 75% water, and dehydration slows down brain function. Drink at least 2 liters of water per day for maximum focus. Green tea has L-theanine, which keeps your brain alert without stress. Coffee boosts focus, but too much can cause anxiety. Drink it in moderation. Avoid sugary drinks. They cause energy crashes and reduce concentration. Step number 3, the best time to eat for learning. The time you eat affects your ability to learn. Best time to study English, 90 minutes after breakfast. Your brain is fully awake. Avoid heavy meals before studying. They make you feel sleepy. A small snack like nuts or dark chocolate before learning improves focus. Step number 4, supplements that help brain function. If your diet is lacking, some supplements can help. B vitamins help with memory and focus. Magnesium improves concentration and reduces stress. Vitamin D, essential for brain health, especially in winter. A well-balanced diet is the best way to support your brain and learning ability. Step number 5, the worst foods for learning English. Some foods slow down your brain and make learning harder. Processed sugar causes energy crashes and makes it hard to focus. Fast food and fried food slows down brain function over time. Too much caffeine causes jitters and anxiety, making it hard to concentrate. Alcohol negatively impacts memory and learning ability. Avoid these foods, especially before studying English. Challenge: try eating for your brain today. Pick one brain-boosting food and add it to your meals today. Let me know in the comments what you tried. Learning English starts with taking care of your brain. Eat well, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.